Hello friends, welcome to United Cuisines. The dog days of summer started in Europe and our friends from Latin America suggested that we make ceviche. We found some shrimp in our freezer, so let's make Ecuadorian Ceviche de Camaron in this episode. The amount of ingredients we need is manageable. Most importantly, we need some lime. A lot of lime. Moreover, an orange, a medium-sized red onion, tomatoes, red or green pepper, and a bunch of fresh coriander, aka cilantro. Last but not least, a lot of these high-protein crustaceans from the sea, shrimp. Start by grabbing your food processor that you bought but barely used to process your sweet cherry tomatoes into a juicy mass. Next, slice your onion into thin, very thin long stripes. Don't chop them. Use your mandolin if you have one, but be safe and don't slice off a piece of your finger. Once done, put them in a bowl and cover in salt water and set aside for 15 minutes. This will help to mellow the strong flavor of your fresh onion. Use this time to dice the other veggies as well as the cilantro. Great, now let's move to the most exhausting task of this recipe, getting the precious juice out of the limes. Start by giving them a good, thorough roll. They're very tough and can handle a lot, so don't use your velvet glove here, but rather the harsh Thai massage style before cutting them in half. These little green guys have such a thick skin that our dull knife had real difficulty slicing them up. Luckily, our inner innovator came up with this poke and slice technique, which worked very well. And if you think the challenge ends here, you're mistaken. Take a fork and poke as much juice out of every lime as you can. I bet that by the end of the 5th lime you will have to change your hands because of exhaustion. Eventually you want to end up with enough lime juice to give your shrimps a nice full bath. So do better than we did and don't spill all the juice. Good. Now let's move on to our raw seafood, which we will shortly poach, so let's move over to the stove. The seafood in ceviche normally is not being cooked the traditional way, but rather with the acidity of the citrus fruit. Since we were not able to get our hands on fresh shrimps whose upbringing and health history we were not sure of, we opted for the safe method of cooking them in boiling water. Clean and wash your shrimp as well as devein it if you like, before putting them in slightly boiling salt water for 2 minutes. Once the time is up, immediately transfer them into ice water, which will quickly stop the cooking process, leaving your shrimp perfectly tender. Gently dry and cut them in small bite-sized pieces before transferring them into a bowl. We want to transfer all our ingredients into a big enough bowl, which best should be made of glass. Lime juice is highly acidic and attacks metal, which can corrode and release unwanted ingredients into your ceviche. Place the shrimp into your glass bowl and fully cover it in lime juice. Follow up with the remaining ingredients, but don't forget to drain the onion first. Also perform a quick taste test to see if you notice a difference in the taste of the onion. Yummy, right? Add the chopped cilantro and your cherry tomato sauce. If it's not tasty or sweet enough, simply mix in a tablespoon of ketchup. Salt to taste and press in the juice of half an orange, before giving everything a good mix and covering it with cling film. Transfer your ceviche de camaron into the fridge and give the flavors enough time to unite. Approximately 1 to 2 hours should do. And there you go, a delicious and highly refreshing dish brought to you by our Ecuadorian friends. Make sure to also leave us a comment with your favorite dish from your home country and don't forget to join our community for more international recipes. And now it's time to enjoy your ceviche de camaron. Buen provecho! Thanks for watching, and until next time with another international recipe here at United Cuisines.